Hello guys, good day. So in this video I'll be showing you how to do your mockup with Canva, and I'll be showing you how to do your mockup after you are done with the design of your book. How to do mockup freely. So you are going to just type Canva Canva mockup Canva mockup. So let's see. So this is the easiest way. You don't have to go to Canva and start looking for. So just press the first one. Let's go. Make sure you are done with your design first. The design of the book that you want to mock up it. It's loading. Okay, it's done now. Let's see. Let's see the templates. There are many and they are all free if you have the Canva Pro, the Pro version. So I am using the Pro version now. I can get access to everything. Yes, everything. Let's wait small. Let me just pause the video first. So we are back. You can see there is many type of mockups. See this one, see this. This is a lady holding the book. So this is how your book will look whenever someone buy it. You see, this one is just the plain one, no any background, just plain background. You see many templates. Let's look for a very good one. You can just wait and look for a very good one. So I don't want to waste your time. Let me just pick one up. Let me look for one in these places. Don't have to go further. Let's just use this first one. Let's try it. And see another one here. This one too, it looks so good. It's really good. This one is wasting time. Let me check this one next. Actually, it's my network. It's not that good. Let me pause again. Okay, it has finished loading. So uh, let's press this place. Select. uh Let me allow them to load. So let's say we want to use this one for the mockup. This is a book cover that I made recently. This one, or let me see. Let me do this one for this children. You now press this select again and wait for it to load. It's loading now. Okay, it has finished loading. So if like you want to adjust something inside the mockup, you can press the adjust image like this. You see, you can adjust it. So for me, I'll just leave it like this, the way it is. Just save, cancel. I didn't do anything. So we are going to press save mockup, save mockup. Yeah. So it's still loading. Let's just wait a little bit. I don't want to waste time on this video. So it has finished loading. So you come and press this download, download. Press it to just be downloading. You can see it has finished downloading. Let's see. Let's press and check it out. Yeah. So this is our results. So thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.